I truly feel that the best way to propagate good engineering is through the students. And what it's really about is how I can get the students to understand that the things that they're learning, they could actually use to make a difference.
Studying computer engineering at NYU Tandon is really great, partly because of the resources that are put into the program. Between the makerspace and the faculty, there's just a lot of resources and a lot of people and places you can consult.
The reason that I wanted to come to NYU and be a professor here is there's just so much expertise in computer engineering, hardware design, machine learning, and cryptography. And I saw an incredible opportunity to bring it forward, both through the classroom and through the research that we do in our various labs.
A lot of the interesting problems for society involve software and hardware. And inside AI, for example, some of the most interesting ideas are coming from people who really, really deeply understand the hardware and therefore can make much more interesting things happen on the sort of same computing platforms, essentially.
There's no better time to pursue an electrical and computer engineering degree. What you're seeing is electrical and computer engineering has now become a facet in almost every niche market out there. So it's our job to make sure that we can deliver something that's easy to use, useful. These new innovations need electrical and computer engineers to help do that.
Computer engineering is everything from transistors all the way up to software. So what we do is we define the interface of how computers actually take code specified by computer scientists, map it onto hardware, and make it run as fast and efficiently as possible.
I'm working on robotics. I have colleagues working on wireless, energy, control systems, quantum computing, chip design, and you can do all of these things by having an electrical engineering degree.
I am a big proponent of our PhD program for those who want to take their professional or academic careers to the next level. The PhD teaches you discipline, teaches you how to do research properly. Many engineers don't have that training.
One of the things that's great about a place like Tandon is you have world-class researchers. And so you learn a lot about research in a number of different ways. There are lots and lots of research labs. And so whatever you're really interested in, it becomes very easy to find a research lab that's working on that type of topic.
I'm a part of Machines in Motion Lab, directed by Professor Rigetti, in which we have 2 robot manipulators, 1 robot dog. Our lab is a part of the shared robotics space, which is a coalition of different labs that are doing robotics research and perception and learning.
We're constantly adapting our classes to meet the needs of industry and reflect what's happening in the research community. So whether they want to be researchers or go to industry, students are really prepared to face the challenges of today and tomorrow.
The work being done in the ECE department at NYU Tandon, I think, is already making a huge impact as it really lies at the forefront of technology. So the work specifically that I'm interested in is in medical technology, medical devices, and I think that's a field that's really going to be crucial in improving and advancing healthcare in the future.
What is really interesting is that Brooklyn and New York City as a whole has a huge startup ecosystem. So there's lots of new robotic startups that are happening right now.
People come to New York to be part of it. And NYU Tandon is a school in a much larger university with other curriculums. With that, the collaboration efforts are almost endless. We can go to any one of those schools and they are very much willing to collaborate with us. And that is a very unique situation that NYU Tandon has that not every other university has.
If you're interested in robotics and the latest advance in artificial intelligence, NYU is really the right place to be. We have amazing facilities, we have really motivated faculty, which is really exciting.
For any student who wants a little bit more than just a GPA and actually wants to make a difference, I welcome you to NYU Tandon.